Hi, today I have another haul video for you, including some of the items I purchased from HSN that I received, Spellbinders club member items that I receive every month. I purchased one of the club value ones, which includes the small die of the month, large die of the month, and the paper grace die of the month. So it includes this one. And I also received one of the AutoShip for Crafters Companion Flower Decoupage. So I have that one as well to show you. Let me open the packages and check it out together. Alright, for Spellbinders this month we have this one as small die of the month, which can make something similar to this. For large die of the month we have these cuties. Oh, I think they might be interactive dies. I should see how they work. And for amazing paper grace we got this one, or I should say I got this one. Oh, I thought it would be a little bit larger, but it's cute. Anyway, it's a mason jar that you can make it dimensional and use the flowers to decorate the jar. Alright. Let me show you first the AutoShip item I received. Oh, I'm really happy for this set because I really wanted to have a pansies, and I don't know, I couldn't find a good set yet, but anyways, this is the design, the flower decoupage you get, or this round of AutoShip. Alright, that's that. Let's see the item I received from my purchase on Craft Day, HSN Craft Day, on March 2nd. I didn't order that much. I ordered a few Anna Griffin items, and I think one item from Crafters Companion, and one or two items from Diamond Press, and most of the Anna Griffin ones are on extended delivery. I'm expecting to receive 2 more items from her. Okay. Oops. Alright. Diamond Press. This one is a large one. Alright, I purchased Diamond Press Slimline Nesting Dies, and of course I purchased it at AutoShip, on the AutoShip version. So let me open it to show you how it looks like. They should look nice. You get a frame die in this bundle and 2 inserts, which one of them is this one, which makes something like this, and the other one is like this, the rose one. And also there are some sentiments, sending hugs, smile. I really like this one. sweet friend, and here for you. Oh, I really love the sentiments in here. Sorry, I didn't get the chance to watch the presentation, so I wasn't sure what I get in this bundle. Anyway, we get this, and I'm really happy for that one. I purchased Anna Griffin Slimline Concentric Die, and this one is on AutoShip as well. And we get this beautiful die set. Which can make these pretty cards or whatever you like to make with them. Because they are longer, they can be used for so many items. I like scrapbooking, some decorative pieces. So that's that. And this one should be the Crafters Companion, I think what they call layer sentiment. I'm not sure the one. I wasn't sure about this one because honestly I didn't need, or yeah, I don't think I need more sentiment dies. I purchased this one because with HSN you get a 1 day processing time before they go to packaging, and you have time to cancel it. But I don't know what happened. I didn't get that option with the Crafters Companion and the Diamond Press, and they went right away to the packaging process. But anyway, because I was curious to see how they look like, and I know I like him, but I didn't want to spend too much, even though it was my birthday yesterday. But anyway, so we get these die set in this bundle, which includes a flourish background for your sentiment, or I should say the decorative background for your sentiment. In this one we get the birthday wishes, get well wishes, and sending wishes with this pretty swirly background, with this pretty butterfly background. There are happy birthday, happy Easter, and happy thoughts. And I'm not very fan of this design, but anyway, we have the sending hugs, sending love, and sending kisses with this design. Alright, I think that's it for today. Really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.